Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about how to drop column from existing table. One request viewer, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe this channel and give thumbs up. Now let's get started. Assume we have a table called employee with this structure. So let's first create employee table. Table is created. Let's insert sample data into employee table. For record inserted, let's see. Here data populated into employee table. After inserting information about employee in employee table, and we need to drop some column. So let's have a look how we can drop column from existing table. Here syntax is simple. Write here alter table, then table name, in our case employee, then write drop column, then what column do you want to drop. In our case we want to drop salary column from employee table. So let's execute. Here statement is successful, so let's see. Here salary column is dropped. You can also use this syntax, alter table, then table name, then write here drop and opening bracket and closing bracket, and write which column do you want to drop. Here you can write. So let's see as well this statement. The statement is successful. Let's see. Here created date column drop. You can also drop more than one column by using this syntax. Write here alter table, then table name, then drop. After that, which column do you want to drop? Write here comma separate. For example, first name, last name we want to drop. Then let's see. Here statement successful. Let's validate. One column left and this column dropped. Let's create again employee table to demonstrate another example. Inserting data. Let's see this syntax as well. Here alter table, then table name, drop column, after that comma separate column name. So first name, last name we want to drop. So let's execute this statement. The statement is successful, and let's see. Here first name, last name, drop. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.